Hi, I'm Sahar and I work at the MITRE Corporation. Here we tackle difficult problems that challenge the safety, stability, and well-being of our nation. We do this by operating federally funded R&D centers in areas like cyber, aviation, enterprise modernization, homeland security, and much more. Today, I want to tell you about our exciting new Systems Engineering Fellowship Program for federal employees. This fellowship includes hands-on experience on real MITRE projects while earning a Systems Engineering Master's degree from the University of Virginia, all in just 12 months. Nowhere else can you take classes for a world-class education from UVA and immediately apply the skills you're learning directly onto government project work at the same time. You'll have countless resources available to you, including innovative MITRE work where you can research and explore solutions to unsolved problems. You can also collaborate with highly trained engineers with expertise in innovative systems engineering tools and techniques. Plus, you'll get to work in world-class laboratories with emerging technologies. If you think you can benefit from this great program, check out mitre.org/SE-Fellows for more details. You can also call 703-983-7035 to talk about how government funding can cover your costs for this fellowship program. A few things to keep in mind. All MITRE work takes place on the MITRE campus in McLean, Virginia. However, we can work with you if you prefer to be on a different MITRE campus. Also, keep in mind that our next cohort begins May 2019 and applications are due April 1st, 2019. So if you're a federal employee, visit mitre.org/SE-Fellows to start the process today and get started on your next new adventure.